We're gonna go show Chloe's friends my friend. This is my little pet. I don't know what's your name? Gong Gong? His name's Gong Gong. Let's go. Come on.
It's not Gong Gong, it's Chong Chong.
It's my pet. Come on, little Gong Gong. Hey guys, look at my little pet animal. His name's Gong Gong. You wanna climb on me, Gong Gong? No, don't be shy. Come on. Hey, these are Chloe's friends. You know Chloe. Look at, these are her friends. They're nice. I'm just kidding. No. You want to climb on me? Oh, look at, he's too shy. Oh, do you guys want to pet him? Here, you want to pet him? Come on, pet him.
Am I supposed to pet his butt?
Pet him. Yeah, pet his butt. He likes that. Okay, Gong Gong, you're getting way too heavy. Okay, well, we have to go Gong Gong.
What kind of name is Gong Gong?
He's a monkey!
You don't name your monkey Gong Gong.
Yeah, well, people are different, Claire.
Claire, Rain.